Hello everyone, I'm Masih Khairi and this is how to make Android mobile application, and welcome to episode 9. Okay guys, in this episode we are going to cover tab layouts and view pager in Android. In this video we are going to make this tab layouts and this view pager with fragments. This is tab layout and here is the view pager with the fragments, and we are going to make this in this episode. Okay guys, make a new project and here remove the action bar. Now we need a new color, white color in here. Okay, color white. And now in here we need to fragment from here, fragments 1. Now finish. We don't need these codes. And also these codes. Remove these codes. We need a new fragment too. Here is the fragment. Now finish. Okay guys, remove these codes, these comments, this line of codes up to here, and this code should be removed too. Okay guys, now we have the fragments, and here we should customize our fragments. This should be at the center. Okay guys, now we have the fragments. Open the layout of main activity. Here is the main activity, and then here we need tab layouts. Okay guys, to use tab layouts we need another dependency to add to our project. For adding the dependency, in file menu and project structure, in app module and dependency tab, and here search for the design support library. Here's the design support library, and okay, and now okay, and please wait to sync the project. Okay guys, now we have added the design support library to our project, and here we should use the tab layout. Guys, this tab layout, okay guys, now we need a view pager in here. Okay, now we need to access these elements in main activity, and here okay guys, now we need to create an adapter for the view pager. Create another Java class in here, view pager adapter. Okay guys, this class will extends fragment pager adapter, implements the methods. Okay guys, in here we need a list of fragments. Fragment list is equals to new array list. Okay guys, another list for fragment titles. Fragments titles equals to new array list. Okay guys, this variable should be final. Okay guys, now we need another function to add the fragments. The first parameter should be fragment, and the second parameter should be the title of fragment. Okay, now in here fragment list dot add It's fragment, and fragment titles dot add fragments title. Again here's the fragment title. Okay guys, now in here we should return a fragment from fragment list dot get. Here is the position, fragment list, and size. Okay guys, now we should set the title of fragments or the title of tab layouts, and here we need to open another method, Ctrl+O, and search for chart sequence. Here is the chart sequence method, overwrite it, okay, and here return fragment titles get and take the position. Okay guys, now it's complete, and we should set this adapter to our view pager. Main activity, and here we should create an object of view pager adapter, and then adapter dot fragment. The first parameter is the fragment, new fragments 1. The second parameter is the title of the fragments. Title of fragment should be fragments 1. Okay, and here get support fragment manager, and then here adapter dot add fragments, new fragments 2. The title should be fragment 2. Okay guys, now we should add this adapter to the view pager. View pager does set adapter and tab layout that set up with view pager, and then here view pager. Here's the view pager. Okay guys, now run the app. Okay guys, here is the app, fragment 1, fragment 2. We should work with the style of these fragments. The text should be white, and the tab indicator also should be white. And here in main activity, here is the tab layout, and here we have tab indicator color should be white. Here is the white, and tab indicator text color, the selected tab should be white too, and tab text color should be white. And now run up again. Okay, it's white. Okay guys, here is the usage of tab layouts and view pager using the fragments in Android, and you can customize these fragments as what you want. Thank you for watching, and share the video.